Hello and welcome back for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Fantom chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Fantom is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of these wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low for this wave 2, and Fantom should give us a reaction of the target area and start an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And assuming that we are not going to get one more new low in the formation of this wave 2, I can give you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.367 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that third wave to the upper side to do. And for that movement to also play out, we first need to see a reaction of the target area start gearing up and see a break above resistance at around the $0.3075 mark. And the moment we see a break above resistance, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and see a break above the significant high at around the $0.3306 mark. Alternatively, in case we don't see a reaction of this target area and maybe we continue seeing further weakness here on the charts, then that would be suggesting a breakdown move still in the formation of a wave 2, which is what I'm expecting on a longer time frame. That is the larger Elliot wave count here on the Fantom chart, where we can expect one more new low within this blue target area that I have right here. And to give you what I'm expecting, basing it on that larger Elliot wave count, you can see that Fantom, after giving us this massive crash on the 10th of June in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.2131 mark, we started a very nice recovery to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where we first peaked in this 1-2 setup. And after seeing the 1-2 setup, we started this Elliot wave structure, where we now have these as a wave 1 and a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. Minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. But in case further breakdown continues, then we can expect one more new low within the target area before we can start gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 3. And in my previous videos, I have been saying to you that there are high chances that we have a low for this larger Elliot wave count 2 in red right here within this blue target area. And whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3. And as a result of the impulsiveness in the formation of this wave 3, that's the reason as to why I have this micro Elliot wave count, which is what we expect within the formation of the wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas. So that is what I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term here on the Fantom chart. And those are my breakout targets once we start gearing up. And the next key area of resistance that we need to try to break above is the area at around the $0.3075 mark. But in case further breakdown continues, we also need to hold within the target area between the $0.2881 mark and the $0.2641 mark. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 34 mark, suggesting that we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices, but in case further breakdown continues, that will still be supported on the RSI. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are not seeing that massive increase in the selling volume here on the MACD. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.